Alright guys, so this is one style of this unit. This unit is perfecto, okay? Like, I think I've been wearing long hair for so long that when I finally get these little short units, I'm like, okay, girl, what have you been doing? Hello? But on the real though, every time I get a Persephone unit, I freaking fall in love with their units, okay? They have amazing wigs, you guys. If you have not tried Persephone yet, you need to, okay? So the link will be in my description box below so you can check out this exact unit. It's affordable, and on top of that, look at how easy that was. Ooh, something flew in my face. Look at how easy that was for me to style this unit. Y'all know, listen, I freaking put this together so fast. The only thing that I would have anything to say about this unit is its lace. The lace is extremely light. I'm pretty sure you can tell like where the demarcation is, or whatever the word is. It's just a really light unit, which I could probably finesse with some makeup and edges, but I'm not going to do that right now. Lace is just extremely light, but that's something that you can fix with tinting the lace. Like, you see this right here, like I can see it and I'm not even that up close. It's just, you could just see how light the lace is. It's just extremely light, which I could probably fix with like some powder or something. Maybe I'll go and try and do that. Let me go see if I can fix it. All right, so I did go and try and correct it a little bit with a little bit of brown powder as well as some black. And it kind of made it look a little bit better. So that's the only thing I'm going to say about it is the lace. The lace, you would just probably have to tint the lace, which is, I feel like, is an extra step that a lot of people don't want to make, me included, but it's something you might just have to do. All right, so now I'm just going to style it a different way for you guys instead of it being a half up, half down do. So if you're interested in seeing how I style that, then keep watching. Alright guys, so this is the style that I went for, something just simple, easy on the go. So I think that this is the most perfect unit for your everyday needs, okay? Because you can wear this out, you can wear this to the office, you can wear it to work, wherever you work, you can wear it to a party, you can wear it to a lounge, bar, wherever you go. I feel like this unit is so appropriate for that. I am thinking about cutting it and making it into more of a blunt cut bob, but for right now, I kind of like the length vibes that I'm getting, you know? It's a little bit off-put. It's not exactly like super duper even on each side, but it's even enough and it flows enough to just like you got a good blowout, like just a good little straighten at the hair salon. That's what I'm getting from this, okay? So Persephone gives you all of those different styles, the versatility to wear, you know, you don't necessarily have to wear just an up down do. I can wear it with the side part as well, middle part, whichever one you feel or whatever your heart desires, okay? But I was more so feeling this side part, so that's what I went with, and I'm really excited with how this looks. I'm excited with how it came out. I had no issues with it, no big old shedding problems. Easy to cut the lace. The lace is pretty thin, I would say. It just needs to be tinted. Other than that, I have different ways that I can wear it, and on top of that, I did not glue this wig down, you guys. So you can wear it glueless, but I would say if you're going to be out for a long period of time, probably secure your wig down. That's the only thing that I have to say about it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions, like I always say, leave it in my comment section below and I will answer your question for you. If you are interested in this unit, it will be in my description box as well. Thanks guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!